Hi, students. I want to talk to you today about the importance of peer feedback outside of the classroom. As writers, you know that it's important to get feedback on your writing, but you need to do that not just in the classroom, but outside of it. Finding a fellow student who can read your writing and can comment honestly on it is such a valuable tool to make you a better writer. So, finding someone that you can share your work with and they can share their work with you, giving honest feedback, saying there's something that doesn't make sense here, this is confusing, focusing on big changes that you need to revise and change in your writing, and being able to take that feedback and make changes is going to help you to critique yourself better and learn how your strengths and weakness play into your regular everyday writing assignments. So today I want you to go out and find a student, your roommate or a friend that you can share your writing with and who can be able to be honest with you and give you specific feedback on the writing assignments that you're doing in class.